A group of residents in Altadena suing the power company, Southern California Edison. They say the Eaton Fire was caused by the company's power lines. Richard Bridgford is the lead lawyer in that lawsuit, and he joins me now. Richard, do you have proof that the company's power lines caused the fire?
Yes, we have proof, and let me tell you what this lawsuit's about. This lawsuit is primarily about changing the corporate calculus so that this never happens again. Unfortunately, as in the Coastal Fire, Creek Fire, the Woolsey and the Thomas fires, that lesson simply has not been learned. And what's sad and particularly unfortunate about it is that prevention should not be an issue. SCE knows what is required to prevent these fires. Covered conductor, underground the wires, most importantly, de-energize in time. And that has not been done. It's not a money problem. It's a problem of where the money's going. Fact, Edison made $1.6 billion in profit in 2023. And in doing so, it nearly doubled the prior year's profits. It has recently released $25 a share or more on its A and B shares, and it has paid generous compensation to the members of the C-suite. The question, the relevant question, is where did that money not go? It did not go towards upgrading and maintaining the grid. The real question here is not primarily whether they were simply negligent. The real question in this case is whether there's something more sinister going on.
Can you
sue? Quite frankly,
I mean, okay, you've got a lawsuit against SCE. I got it. Can you sue any government official for negligence?
There's always the possibility that there was government involvement in negligence. Government has various immunities which the utilities do not enjoy. The primary problem in this state is that we have granted a for-profit entity the right to conduct a monopoly in the provision of electricity. And as long as that happens, there's going to be a fatal choice made by the very human people that manage that company between dividends and bonuses on the one hand, and on the other hand, providing for the public safety. That simply cannot continue to go on.
All right.
If we were to discuss the magnitude of...
I'm sorry, I'm almost out of time. I just want to thank you very much for coming on the show and presenting your point. We do appreciate that, Richard, and we'll keep in touch with you to see how this lawsuit goes. I should tell our audience that we reached out to Southern California Edison, and they told us, and I'm quoting now, it's a long statement, "Our hearts remain with our communities during the devastating fires in Southern California. We remain committed to supporting them through this difficult time. SCE crews, contractors, and mutual assistance partners dedicated to safely restoring power to our customers. SCE understands that lawsuits related to the Eaton Fire have been filed. SCE will review them. The cause of the fire continues to be under investigation." Thanks to everyone who participated in this segment. Thank you.